Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to find out sales reason of any iPhone device. It's very important to know or to have the information sales reason of any iPhones. Why? Yes, while deactivating of iCloud activation locks linked from this device, if you would like to bypass or without doing a jailbreak, also you would like to terminate iCloud activation locks in that condition. Sometimes while deactivating without doing a jailbreaks, this iCloud activation locks is very important to know sales reason so that you can apply the virtual private networks. So how could I find out? Especially manually, it is possible to know or to have the information about any iPhones. See guys, by tapping a setting, if I come in a general, see, in about there is no any opportunity to find out. Yeah, see. If I go in a anywhere else, there is no any opportunity to find out sales reasons. How would I know that? Yes, it's very easy. Just to connect your data cable from iPhone's device to a PC and go for run as an administrator. This is through your tool guys, and here yes, now see this device has been connected right now, and this is here phone and sales reason. See guys, here this is a Hong Kong macro. So how it's easy to find out sales reason by using this tool. So this tool I will give you a download link below the description box. It's a free of course, without doing anything. So of course with one click you will be able to download this. You will get all kind of the details about any iPhones guys. You will scan it quickly. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. If you know or if you are aware sales reason of any iPhones, then of course it will make you so easy to deactivate or remove or bypass the iCloud activation lock link from any iPhone. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.